out Bowling Green. Adam Newcomer, acting head coach for the Bobcats. Mason Roth spending time with the family. Close game throughout. Bobcats get the steal. Jake Amspoker lays it in, but then Napoleon would go on a run thanks in part to Tanner Rubenstein. Rubenstein in the paint. It's a 2-point lead at the break. Second half. Caden Cruzy helping out the cause as Napoleon goes up by 8. BG not done though. Jabari Conway, silky smooth spin and one. Bobcats on the comeback trail. Ryan Jackson, a huge three-pointer. And the Bobcats hold on to the 54-45 victory. Oh, the fans were loving it down in Wood County.
My mind's on the game, you know, and I know right now with all the stuff he's got going on, he's still watching our games right now. So I know his mind's on the game as well. So I got to be in the moment for our guys, coach them up, do what he's taught me, what we're trying to teach all these guys. And so, you know, I try to keep in as best I can.